So this is the style I'm gonna attempt to do on Julina's hair. Okay, and we're at step 1 right now, where I just created the heart shape in her hair. Alright, so I've parted it out. So I have a couple sections. I have this section here, 1, there's 2, 3 that make the heart. This is for the bang. Now this is for the other side of her hair. I'm gonna go in on this end with some braids. That's pretty much just gonna go from here around, curve it through, curve it through, curve it through, so she can start creating the 2 little side ponytails that she's gonna have. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and go in on it. Alright, I just wanted to come in before I totally lost track and just banged her hair out all the way. Try to get some better. Here we go. As you can see, I've done the braids just coming across, just a light curve to it, just to start. The heart design is still here. I'm working my way. I'm going to do that part last. I'm using the Red Heart brand yarn, which is an acrylic yarn, which is safe to go ahead and put in your hair. You don't have to worry about it locking. Obviously, you don't want to leave this in your hair forever either, but it won't do like a wool yarn where it'll start to like block with your hair. But Julina wants to have purple hair like me, and this is the closest thing to purple that I think is appropriate for her. So I just used 2 strands of the yarn, and I braided in just like I would braid in synthetic hair into someone's hair. So I just want to come in and show you guys real close. They may look tight, but they're actually not tight. She's sitting still. She's 4 years old, so she's able to maintain it. I take my time and I go slowly and I braid these. And I'm just intentional about how much I pick up and so forth. So as you can see, my braids are nice and neat, and I'm gonna keep on going. So I'm just showing you guys where I'm at this point. So I've done the sides. Alright, don't you just zoom in on my toes. Julina, Daddy put the toes for you. Hold on a second. So I take 2 strands of yarn. I just make it a little uneven so that I can create this nice ending.
Is it done?
Not yet. And I just do like I would do with braids. I do a quick little twist like this. Give me 2 singles. Come down with your hair. Put your head like this. And then I just grab a little piece of her hair as I'm installing. You can see how the yarn is on my hand. Grab a little piece of her hair, just like that. Bring this across, like that. Just gonna slowly. So check it out. I got the first half of the heart complete. See, I've already started the second half of the heart, so I'm gonna just show you guys how I part the next piece. Alright.
Just practicing for when I catch you.
I'm gonna just try to keep my comb going in a curve. And I just build on it as I go. So now, coming in. I don't know if you can see the flick of the wrist, but just staying on that curve and following through. Now just put a little grease in that part. Twist this up to get it out of my way. So again, I take 2 strands of the yarn, and I'm just gonna do a quick little twist with my fingers. Put my finger in between the 2 pieces of yarn. Let me get more into the middle. And I hold it in my hand like this. With my other hand, I just get this hair prepared. I take a little piece of her hair, and I then pinch with my thumb and my pointer finger. And then now I'm holding her hair with a piece of yarn. As you can see, these 2 pieces here. I let this one free. Oh, sorry, Julian. I'm like sticking my finger into your head. Now, I'm just gonna bring this around and just add as I go. We're gonna braid a little bit past her own natural hair. Not that much, just this much, sorry. And then I'm just gonna do a quick little tie. So I take a strand of the yarn, swoop it around my finger, and then tuck it over and in, and boop. There you go.